Gentlemen, have you ever wondered what it takes to captivate any woman's heart effortlessly? What are those irresistible qualities that make them weak in the knees and leave them wanting more? Today we're diving deep into the 4 ultimate traits that have the power to make you a magnet for love and admiration. So lean in, because we're about to reveal the keys to becoming a magnet for love and connection. Confidence. Confidence is super important. It's like having a magical key that opens many doors with women. But you know what's even cooler? Being straightforward and knowing what you want. That doesn't mean being mean or bossy. It's about being honest, real, and taking charge in a good way. When you show confidence and directness, women feel comfortable and respected, which is awesome. Being confident means believing in yourself. It's like knowing you're a cool person and you don't need to pretend to be someone else. You walk with your head held high and have a positive vibe. People notice that, especially women. Confidence is like a magnet. It pulls them in. Now, being direct is kind of like being a smooth talker. You say what you mean and mean what you say. You don't play games or beat around the bush. When you like someone, you tell them honestly, but without being pushy. It's all about respecting their feelings, too. Imagine you want to ask someone out on a date. Instead of stumbling over your words or being shy, you look them in the eye and ask them with a friendly smile. Boom, that's being direct. Women appreciate this because it shows you're brave and not afraid to take a chance. And guess what? Women love honesty. It's like a breath of fresh air. When you're straightforward, they trust you more. They feel safe around you because they know you're not hiding anything or playing games. You're genuine and true to yourself. Being assertive is part of the package too. It's about speaking up for yourself and what you believe in. Women admire guys who stand up for what's right, and they like having someone who can protect them when needed. But remember, being assertive doesn't mean being aggressive. It's about having a strong presence without being mean. When you're confident, direct, and assertive in a kind way, it lets women feel free to embrace their femininity. They know you'll appreciate and support them, and that's important because everyone deserves to be themselves without fear. Protection. Feeling safe is a big deal for women. They want to feel protected in every way, physically, mentally, and emotionally. It's like having a shield of love and care around them. So when they look for a partner, they often lean towards someone who can provide this sense of security. One aspect of security is about money. Yup, financial stuff. Women tend to feel more comfortable with partners who are financially independent or stable. It's because money plays a part in how life runs smoothly. But remember, it's not just about being rich. It's about being responsible with money and having a plan for the future. But here's the important part. It's not just money that matters. Trustworthiness is like the foundation of protection. When a woman can trust her partner, it's like having a strong fortress around her heart. Trust is built when you keep your promises and are honest with each other. No lies, no secrets, just being real and true. Loyalty is another key ingredient. Imagine having a best friend who's always there for you, no matter what. That's what loyalty is like in a relationship. It means standing by each other through thick and thin, having each other's backs. Loyalty makes a woman feel she can count on her partner, and that's super important. Integrity might sound like a fancy word, but it's really simple. It means having strong values and sticking to them. When you do the right thing, even when no one's watching, that's integrity. It's about being a good person, showing respect to others, and being kind. A partner with integrity creates a safe and positive environment. When a woman finds a partner with all these qualities, financial responsibility, trustworthiness, loyalty, and integrity, she feels cherished and protected. It's like having a superhero by her side, someone she can rely on. But remember, it's not about being a perfect superhero. We all make mistakes, and that's okay. What matters is that you learn from them and grow together. Being a protective partner means listening to each other's fears and worries and supporting one another. Sense of humor. Having a good sense of humor is like having a secret weapon to win a woman's heart. When a guy can make a woman laugh, it's like magic. She finds him charming and irresistible. A sense of humor is like a superpower that can create happiness and build connections between people. So what's this sense of humor thing all about? Well, it's about being funny in a good way. It's not about making fun of others or being mean. Instead, it's about cracking jokes, sharing funny stories, and having a lighthearted approach to life. When a guy can make a woman giggle or burst into laughter, it shows he's not just funny, but also smart and quick-witted. It's like a sign of intelligence. Wit is like being clever and having a knack for saying things in a funny and unexpected way. It's like telling a joke that catches her off guard and makes her smile. But it's not just about telling jokes. It's also about having a positive attitude. A guy with a good sense of humor can turn a boring day into a fun adventure. He knows how to make the best out of any situation and spread joy to everyone around him. You know what's even cooler? A good sense of humor creates a special bond between a guy and a woman. It's like a secret language only they understand. When they share laughter, it's like they have a special connection that brings them closer. Humor has this incredible power to break the ice and make people feel comfortable. When a guy can make a woman laugh, she feels at ease in his company. It's like being with a best friend who makes her feel happy and accepted just the way she is. Imagine being on a date or hanging out with someone you like. Instead of feeling nervous or awkward, you both share jokes and laugh together. It feels amazing, right? That's the power of a good sense of humor in building a beautiful and relaxed atmosphere. Being kind and empathetic. Being kind and empathetic is like having a magical touch that women can't resist. When a man shows kindness and compassion to others, it's like a warm hug for their hearts. These traits are super special because they show that a guy understands and cares about other people's feelings. Imagine someone being kind to a stranger, like helping them with their heavy bags or just offering a friendly smile. That small act of kindness can make someone's day brighter. When women see a man being kind like that, it's like a little spark inside them, and they feel drawn to his caring nature. Empathy is like being a heart detective. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes and trying to understand how they feel. When a man shows empathy, it's like he has a superpower to connect deeply with others. He listens with his heart and shows genuine concern for their joys and struggles. Women appreciate guys who are considerate. Being considerate means thinking about others' needs and feelings. It's like having a radar for making people feel special and appreciated. It's the small things that count, like remembering someone's favorite food or cheering them up when they feel down. These traits show that a man is emotionally intelligent. It's like having a treasure map to understanding emotions and building strong connections. Emotional intelligence means knowing how to handle feelings, both your own and others. When a guy has this quality, it's like he can navigate the ups and downs of life with grace. When a man is kind and empathetic, it creates a safe and loving space for women. It's like being in a cozy nest where they can be themselves without any judgments. In such an environment, emotional bonds blossom and grow stronger. Imagine having a bad day and a guy comes over with a kind gesture, like bringing your favorite ice cream or giving you a sweet compliment. It's like a soothing balm for the soul. Acts of kindness like these make women feel cherished and cared for. But remember, it's not about doing things just to impress someone. Kindness and empathy come from the heart. It's about genuinely caring for others and showing understanding without expecting anything in return. So, my friend, if you want to win a woman's heart, show her your kind and empathetic side. Be caring and considerate, and let your emotional intelligence shine. Women will see the beauty of your heart, and they'll be drawn to the loving and nurturing environment you create. Your kindness will be like a magnetic force, bringing you closer to meaningful and fulfilling connections. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of the science behind traits that attract women. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to show your support.